Every modern app talks to something. A mobile app talks to an API. A web frontend talks to an API. An automation job talks to an API. In this video, we build that something in ASP.NET Core C#. Not a slide deck, not a fake architecture diagram, a small REST API you can run, test, and extend. The fastest way to understand REST is to start with one resource. We will use products. A product has an id, name, price, and stock. From there, the API shape becomes predictable. Get all products, get one product, create a product, update a product, and delete a product. The goal is not clever code. The goal is a contract that another app can trust. Create the project with .NET New WebAPI. Then run it and open Swagger. Swagger matters because it gives you an immediate way to test routes before a front end exists. In real projects, you might choose minimal APIs or controllers. Microsoft recommends minimal APIs for many new small HTTP APIs, but controllers are still common in enterprise projects. The pattern is to define the product model, route, request, keep it boring, response, id, status name, code, price, and stock. This is the shape your API returns and accepts. Beginners often jump straight into endpoints and then keep changing the response shape. That is painful for front ends and integrations. Design the smallest useful contract, then keep it stable. Now add the endpoints. GET reads, post creates, put updates, delete removes. That sounds obvious, but this is where a lot of APIs become confusing. Do not make a GET route change data. Do not return success when nothing was updated. Do not hide every failure behind a generic 200 response. HTTP already gives you a language. Use it. For the first version, use an in-memory list. That keeps attention on the API contract. Later, you can swap an EF core and a real database. The mistake is trying to learn routing, validation, database migrations, authentication, and deployment all at the same time. Build the smallest version first, then add one production concern at a time. Now test the API like a client would. Create a product, read it back, update it, delete it, then read it again and make sure you get not found. This simple loop catches most beginner mistakes. If Swagger can test it, a front end can probably call it. If Swagger is confusing, your API contract probably needs cleanup. The difference between a beginner API and a useful API is mostly boring engineering. Return correct status codes, validate input, return clean errors, log important failures. Keep response shapes consistent, do not leak stack traces, and do not keep changing routes after clients depend on them. Boring is good when another system has to call your backend. So that is your first practical ASP.NET Core REST API. Create the project, define the model, map the endpoints, test every route, and clean up the contract. In the next related build, we secure this API with Microsoft Entra ID so random requests cannot call it.